Two men suspected to have ties to the Lawrence Bishnoi gang fired 4 rounds outside Bandra's Galaxy apartment where the actor Salman Khan lives. Now, one of them is a resident of Gurugram and is said to be part of that Bishnoi gang. Two men suspected to have those ties fired, those bullets at 5 o'clock in the morning outside the actor's house. And it's Maharashtra's Chief Minister who has spoken with the actor and assured support, saying that the state government will beef up the security for him. We have my colleague Radhika joining us. Radhika, when you talk about the identity of the two suspects has been revealed, and they're talking about one of them being a resident of Gurugram.
That's right. The cops have in fact managed to identify one of the suspects believed to be a resident of Gurugram. In fact, this is Vishal alias Kalu, who is in fact a gang member as far as the Lawrence Bishnoi gang is concerned. He works for a Lawrence Bishnoi gang member, Rohit. In fact, this member, Vishal, is wanted in several cases. In fact, in a case in connection to a murder of a businessman in Haryana. In fact, he's also a history sheeter with several cases of robberies and murders registered against him over the last several years. So yes, one of the gang members has been identified. The other remain unknown at this point. Of course, both of them have fled the city. The sequence of events, as we know, is that post the shoot, both these assailants, in fact, went to Mount Mary, near Mount Mary Church in Bandra, which is where they abandoned the vehicle, and after which they walked for a bit, and then they took a rickshaw to Bandra Bandra railway station, from where they in fact fled the city, is what we are made to believe at this point. Both of them are on the run. One of them identified, who is a history sheeter, but at this point investigations are on. Of course, the case has been transferred to crime branch. We are at a Galaxy apartment outside, where more crime branch officials will be in fact carrying out investigation. Of course, there was a team of forensics that were there, CCTV evidence being examined, because multiple CCTV footage was released which showed the gang members, showed both the assailants in fact part of this shootout, post which of course they were found in a CCTV footage at Bandra railway station as well. So therefore the identity of one being revealed by the cops at this point, but both of them are absconding. They may have fled the city. As far as that bike is concerned, which the two used, it could have been a stolen bike, or it may have been purchased by the shooters. That is something that is being verified at this point. But we believe that the bike is registered at Panvel, perhaps bought from one of the places around Panvel, or perhaps stolen from there. All those details are being examined at this point. But yes, investigations underway. More agencies are part of the investigation, not just Mumbai Police Crime Branch, but central agencies also being part of it. Police in touch with cops from Haryana, Rajasthan as well as Delhi, since this involves Lawrence Bishnoi gang member. Of course, that Facebook post which was put out hours after the shooting is also being verified at this point, because it is believed that the content and the style of that particular post looks like it is from Goldie Brar or Lawrence Bishnoi. Of course, Lawrence Bishnoi's brother has taken responsibility of it, but the post is also being verified at this point. So yes, investigations underway. In a few minutes from now, more police officials will be at the spot conducting investigations. And just a few minutes back, in fact, Salman Khan's father went out on his regular walk.
Right. Of course, this also comes, Radhika, just after that email that was received last year in March, an email threatening Salman Khan that was received at his office, following which the Mumbai police had registered an FIR against gangsters Lawrence Bishnoi and Goldie Brar. Thank you so much, Radhika, for joining us.